those lug nuts off. Zing! Whoop, one went somewhere. One is gone. I lost one lug nut. Yeah. Somewhere. Can't be too far. I got it. Here it is. Come on. They're different size. They're different brand. He had a blowout, he told me, so I don't want to have different size. It's not good for the differential. That's those lug nuts on. Two jacks to get this heavy beast up. It got so much junk in it. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Hold on. Lovely. Palm Springs. One rebuilt transmission. And here are the parts. Here's that shift kit my buddy recommended in Pennsylvania. And I don't see anything especially burned up here. Nothing too burned up. There's the steels. There's some burned up steels. Nothing especially toasted. This is well burned. No steels. I guess he put the old steels back. Who knows? Shop is an hour away. Honda. Jap scrap. I'll take a Suburban any day of the week. Luckily I got my ship kit. Increase my pressure to my torque converter. All my junk on the roof. So that's it.